Hello, it's Crafty Rhea, and I'm back with another video. I am so excited today to bring you this haul from Beebeecrafts. I've been patiently, or not patiently, waiting for it to come. I'm so excited. They have a YouTube program and they allowed me to choose $40 worth of merchandise from their site for free if I agree to make a video and to do some craft projects on video with their products. And of course, I'm not going to say no to that. It's great stuff and the projects are going to be fun and I think you'll enjoy it. I picked stuff that would go great with recycling Christmas cards as well. I will post their link below, and it is an affiliate link, so I do make a very small commission on any orders that you would put through there. I would greatly appreciate that. It is a big help to my channel. It helps me to buy extra craft supplies, or maybe even, better camera, audio, lighting, different things like that, just to make the YouTube experience a little bit better. But anyway, now that I got all that formality out of the way, let's see what I ordered. This is so exciting. I will move that over. And the first thing I'm going to show you is my favorite stuff. It's bling. And this was a whole packet of bling. I don't remember how much this package cost, but it had all of this bling in it. So we have, this is the same type of bling that I use that I get at the other places like AliExpress or Amazon. And there are these sheets of the bling, but they have cars on them. So I think what these were originally marketed for, maybe to spruce up the inside of your car, I don't know. But you can see on the back, I guess they have different ideas, but we use these for crafts. So we have the pink in the small and the big. We have this is kind of almost a rose gold. This is more of a yellow gold, but that one is almost a rose gold, and I don't have that color. And the blue only came in the small. So we have the pink in the big and the small. We have clear in the big and the small. We have the multicolors in both sizes. And then this is almost an orangey color gold. And then this is a very yellow gold. So I have the different colors of gold. So all four of them are different shades. So they will be fun to work with. So they're not exactly the same ones as I've been getting from the other companies. And that is awesome. I will put links to each of these products below as well. And then the next thing I got were these die cuts. And I thought they would be really fun to use for Christmas cards. It came in this double set. They look like a stamp cutout. These are the rectangles and the squares. And I went ahead and cut out the squares to show you what they look like. They're stitched and they look like a big postage stamp, kind of. And these are the sizes, the 5 different sizes. And then there's the little tiny guy. Oops. He's so small I dropped him. So there you can kind of get an idea. The dies cut really well on the first try. The paper did not get stuck in the dies. They worked really, really well. And when you get them, they come attached like this. And I think you can just, these were already cut apart, but I think you can just use a wire cutter and trim out those pieces. It should be really easy to take apart. So we have those. I'm really excited to use that. I think they would be great for some recycled Christmas cards. And then my favorite, I got, well, it's all my favorite. I wanted glitter paper, and I got this huge pack of glitter paper, And I also ordered glitter tape, and I think the colors match. So here is the package of the glitter tape. And it's just all these separate rolls of tape. So we'll see as I open the paper, we'll see if they match the glitter tape. And this is how many rolls? 10 rolls of glitter tape. And then I got this big pack of glitter paper. These are 8.5 by 11. I think it's 8.5 by 11. Let's measure. I'm just guessing. Yeah, it's 8.5 by, oh, almost 12. 11 and 5/8. So it's bigger than 8.5 by 11. So I think, let's see, there's 3 sheets of the purple, and it's not showing up as vividly on camera as it is in person. It is really a beautiful purple, and this tape matches it exactly. So that's pretty cool. So we got one. Now I will say that these did get a little bent up on the edges, and I will contact them and let them know. I wouldn't be using the full sheet anyway. I'll be cutting them down, but they really should not come like that. But like I said, I will contact them and let them know. And they are pretty heavy. They're a very thick piece of paper. I don't know if you can see the thickness there. So it's very, very heavy, very good quality feel to it. So we have the purple that matches the purple. And then we have 3 sheets of this color. Let's see. I don't think there's a tape that matches this color. There is not. This is kind of like a, I don't know, pewter maybe? Bronze? Not really a bronze. I don't know. Then we have this gold. And this is very shiny, and it's not totally like shiny smooth, but it's not super rough either. So we have gold. I think there's 2 rolls. Nope, that one's lighter. We have this gold that matches it exactly. So that's cool. So we have that. We have this dark purple. It looks blue on camera, but in person it's much more purple. It is so pretty. And that's 2 blue. We don't have a matching tape to that, but that is gorgeous. And then we have this bright red. And it is very glittery in person, but it's not showing up on the camera as glittery, but it is glittery, trust me. It's very cool. And we have 3 sheets of this green, and that, as you can see, is super glittery. That's not the same green, so no, we don't have a matching one for that, but that's okay. And this purple is almost like the first purple, but it has a little more pink to it, and I think this one will match. Yes, we have that tape that matches it. So we have that, and then we have this orange color, very, very pretty, and we have a tape that matches it. And silver. The silver has such a gorgeous shine to it. I absolutely love it. And there's the tape that matches it. I got the tapes. I really wanted the tapes because I haven't been out to the Dollar Tree and I'm really missing their ribbon. And I'm afraid I'm going to run out. So I needed the tapes as my emergency backup. And then this is a glittery black. And there's not a black tape. And this light blue, super glittery. And that is not quite a match. It's not the same. This is kind of an aqua blue. And then this pinkish color. And there's a pink tape. Yep, the pink tape matches. So then we have the other tapes that did not have a paper to match. And those are really pretty as well. I do want to look at one of the tapes. Let's take it off the roll and see how sticky it is. Yes, it is very sticky on the back. And I'll see if it tears. It does tear like a washi tape. So that's really good. Very cool. I really like the tapes. There's not a whole lot on each roll, as you can see. I'll show you with a darker one. But I will use them. I love them. I don't think this was expensive for the tapes. It might have been maybe $4 or $5. It was one of the cheaper items for the 10 rolls, so that worked out really well. I will put links below to each of these in case you were looking for that specific thing. They have jewelry making supplies, they have buttons, they have paper craft supplies. I mean, just unbelievable amounts of supplies, almost anything you could want for paper crafting. They have jewelry making, all kinds of great supplies. I believe their prices are quite reasonable. And they also have free shipping on $25 to the United States. So that is really awesome. And I think they ship internationally. I'm not exactly sure. But I know I have some international viewers, so you might want to check them out. And like I said, I will put their link below, and I will link the products that I got in case you wanted to look them up. So be sure to tune in again to see what projects I make with these goodies. I'll be using a lot of the glitter paper and the glitter tape with my recycled Christmas cards for sure. That's why I got it. And also some of these die cuts would go great. And you know me and my bling. These are going right in my bling box because, you know, I'm going to need a bigger bling box because I outgrew my little one. Now I have a big one and I've just overstuffed it. Well, anyway, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate all of you as always. I hope you love this haul. Let me know below what your favorite product was that I got and what kind of projects you might want to see me make with any of this if you have any ideas. Thanks again for watching. And please leave it a thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. And also, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. Once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll be doing a great giveaway. So please do like, comment, and share this video so we can reach that milestone. Also, you might want to head over to my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea. I'd love to have you over there. The link is below. And then also I have a Patreon page that I would love for you to go check out and possibly become a member. Thanks again, everyone. And until the next time, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.